Hey guys, today we are talking about Pinclicks. What is it? What is it used for? And its best feature. Now, Pinclicks is a Pinterest focused tool designed to optimize your marketing and keyword strategy on the platform. Its primarily purpose is to help find users find the best performing keywords and pins, making it easier to improve the visibility and engagement of their Pinterest content. You have its key features like the keyword research. Pinclicks offers in-depth keyword analysis by revealing hidden stats and related terms that are actively searched on Pinterest. This feature helps users optimize pin directions and titles to boost search rankings. You have the Internet Explorer. These features allows users to explore millions of Pinterest interested categories, making it easier to find and to identify niche topics to target. By focusing on these areas, users can create more relevant and engaging content. You have Pin Performance Tracker. Users can track how well specific pins are doing in terms of saves, reaction, and comments. The tools provides a pin score, which gives insight into a pin's popularity and performance over time. You have something like the Pin Bookmarker. This allows users to save pins for later reference, helping with content inspiration and strategy development. You have competitor insight. Pinclicks also provides insight into top performing pins from competitors, allowing users to analyze what works best and apply similar strategies. You have the best uses. Pinclicks is ideal for marketers, bloggers, and business owners looking to boost their Pinterest marketing. It simplifies the process of keyword research, competitor analysis, and pin tracking, helping users make data-driven decisions to increase engagement and reach. You have the Pinterest right here. By combining these tools, you can create data-informed content, boosting the pin's visibility and engagement on Pinterest. So if we then navigate through the official website of Pinclicks right here, it will then go ahead and look something like this. But before we proceed, you want to head over to the link on the description box below to go ahead and get the free trial of Pinclicks. And if you're really interested, you want to head over to the description box below, because below that you can go ahead and see a discount plan, a discount code to avail this pricing plans right here. So make sure to check that out. Now, first things first, let's go ahead and talk about the keyword research. What is the keyword research function? From here, as you can go ahead and see, we have something like dark chocolate or brown hair. Let's go ahead and make this a little bit specific. Let's go ahead and search something like house design. And it will now go ahead and look something like this for the keyword research function. From here, we have our keyword, and one of the best keyword for house design is basically house design itself. You have your popularity score right here. You can then go ahead and see the top pins or the track keyword. So for example, if you are a business owner or a blogger, you want to focus more about this specific keyword right here. Maybe you want to throw in around with the house design exterior inside your blogs, and you also have the house design interior. These three keywords right here is the best keyword for house design. So you want to go ahead and make decisions around this specific keywords. You have your popularity score, which is the highest for house design. You can then go ahead and click on the see top pins or track keyword. If we then navigate through the see top pins right here, this is the best pin for the house design. Heights House Evening Tour Part 1. So you can learn more about this pin right here, how does it work, and why is it so popular. You have your pin score, the saves of this specific Pinterest post, you have positions, created at, comments, and reaction. We also have something like the Interest Explorer. If you want to go ahead and explore more about your interest, you have something like the travel check travel outfit, Basically, you have to go ahead and type your keyword right here once again, and from here we can then go ahead and see the taxonomy, related interest, related searches, and once again you have the view and research keyword. You have your saved keywords, search tracker, rank tracker, save pins, and more. If you then want to focus on the top pins right here, you then want to go ahead and navigate through the search bar, and once inside you then want to type your keyword. Let's go ahead and type something like Valorant. From here, one of the best searches for Valorant is this one, Fluffy Neon, you have the Reyna Lear, and more. So if you're creating around Valorant content, you want to focus more on this top keyword right here. So guys, once again, you want to head over to the link on the description box below to avail the discount code on Pinclicks. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.